Have you ever heard of Revolut? It's a popular banking app that's been making waves in the financial world. But is it really a bank? And if so, what does that mean for you? In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at Revolut and find out the answer to this question. We'll also explore some of the other features and benefits of using Revolut. So, is Revolut a bank? The short answer is no. Revolut is not a bank in the traditional sense. It's a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including banking, payments, and investing. Revolut is authorized by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK to provide electronic money services. This means that Revolut is not allowed to take deposits from customers or lend money. Instead, Revolut holds customer funds in segregated accounts and uses them to provide services like currency exchange and international payments. So, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that Revolut is not as regulated as a traditional bank. This can be both a good and a bad thing. On the one hand, it means that Revolut can offer more innovative products and services than a traditional bank. For example, Revolut offers a range of travel benefits, such as free travel insurance and airport lounge access. On the other hand, it means that Revolut is not as safe as a traditional bank. If Revolut were to go bankrupt, customers could lose their money. However, it's important to note that Revolut is a well-funded company with a strong track record. In addition to the above, Revolut also offers a number of other features and benefits, such as free international transfers, low fees, cashback rewards, customizable cards, budgeting tools, and much more. So, if you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your money, Revolut is a great option. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. So, to answer the question, is Revolut an UK bank? The answer is no. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, including banking, payments, and investing. Revolut is not as regulated as a traditional bank, but it offers a number of innovative products and services. If you're looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage your money, Revolut is a great option. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Revolut, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. If you're interested in learning more about Revolut, you can sign up for a free account here.